Hello, welcome student. Today we learn about a disaster. What is disaster? Students, recently we have experienced Venezuela earthquake. Sometime we have dangerous event occur many times in environment. Such are called as disaster. Some of the main natural disasters are flood, wet and dry famine, cyclones, earthquake, volcanoes eruptions. These are all the sudden trouble to the mankind. Such event cause sudden changes in the environment and thereby cause the damage to it. A natural disaster is the negative impact that affect the communities after a natural hazards. A volcanic eruption is like mountain have a cough. It breathes out smoke, ash, hot melted lava. We should always stay far away. Students, have you ever felt the ground wobble? That's an earthquake. It happens when places of rock deep underground move and bump into each other. Means it is sudden vibration on the earth and shaking of the earth's surface. It's called as an earthquake. This causes seismic waves leading to movement of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking, or it's up and down. The shocks and waves form in the interior of the earth, spread on the surface in all directions. The central point of earthquake is the point above the epicenter on the earth's surface. Any disaster, the sudden event that leads to the huge loss of life and property. As the disaster occurs suddenly, it cannot be predicted. Hence, precautions are not possible.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second.
There are different types of disaster: man-made disaster and natural disaster. Causes of earthquake are some as volcanic eruption, stress of big dams on the earth, mining, underground atomic test, water percolates through the cracks of the earth, and many others. And the effect of earthquake is loss of human beings, wild animal and pets, economic loss at large scale like electric poles, pipelines, houses, buildings, roads, railway track are destroyed. Ecosystem destruction due to the loss of biodiversity. Direction of flow of river streams changes. Possibility of fire in cities increases. If there is earthquake at the bottom of the ocean, it may create tsunami waves and thereby large scale destruction of coastal region. Level of water table changes. These are some effects of an earthquake.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to justified by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. You lies, I'll do what I want.
Tectonic plate movement is most common reason of earthquake. The earth crust is made up of large plates that constantly move. When the plate collides, separate or slide past each other, stress built up. When the stress is released, an earthquake is occur. The machine or instrument which records the earthquake is called seismograph or seismometer. Precaution to be taken at the time of earthquake is very important. If you are in vehicle or outside the house,